Domestic animals are those animals which are kept at home and they can be seen daily. Yes, they are also kept at farm. They are also called as farm animals. Domestic animals are also called as pet animals. Some of the domestic animals like cat, dog are kept at home. So they are called as pet animals. So children, today we are going to learn about domestic animals. Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Children, this is a cat. C for cat. Yes. The cat says meow meow. It eats fish. It drinks milk. Cats are of different colors like black, white, orange and grey. This is a dog. D for dog. Dog says poof poof. It protects our house. It has 4 legs. Dogs like to eat bones. This is a horse. H for horse. It runs very fast. Horse neighs. Children, this is a goat. G for goat. G for goat. Goat gives us milk and meat. It eats grass. This is a cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow gives us milk. Cow eats grass. This is a sheep. Sheep gives us wool. And one of the sheep is called lamb. It eats grass. This is rabbit. R for rabbit. See, the rabbit is so cute. It has pink ears. It runs fast. It eats carrots and grass. Children, do you like carrots? Yes, rabbit also likes carrots.